When using the single-step workflow interop commands to transfer data between Maya and Softimage, object selection is key. By default, the system looks for any selected objects to send. If nothing's selected, it will ask you what to send based on whether or not it finds a previous selection. For example, here, since this is the first time that Maya sends objects, it asks if you want to send the entire scene. Click Yes. The entire scene has been sent to Softimage. Move the chairs around, then deselect them and update the scene back to Maya. Since this is the first time that Softimage sends data over, it will ask you the same question. Click Cancel. Note that in 2011 SAP, Softimage only sent specific things to Maya, namely objects driven by an ice tree. Now it can send anything, so we need to select them first. Here, select both chairs and update the scene again. The chairs have been updated in the Maya scene. Go to Send to Softimage, select Previously Sent Objects. The entire scene is selected, which is the last thing that Maya sent over. In Softimage, go to Send to Maya, select Previously Sent Objects. Now only the chairs are selected. As you can see, each product independently keeps track of what it sends over, so be mindful of this when you transfer objects.